Welcome back to this week's episode of John and Anna's Travels. And this week we are taking a tour right outside Chicago to Matthiessen State Park. This is a beautiful little park with streams and lots of dells. We enjoyed this whole trip, walking up and down these dells, and it was just beautiful. This is unlike anything else I've ever seen in Illinois. And you wouldn't even think you're in Illinois because of the geology here is just so spectacular. We went with a group of friends and we went camping at nearby Starved Rock State Park. And when we woke up in the morning, we had breakfast and decided to go to Matthiessen State Park, which is like 2 miles down the road, and do our hiking. And it was just beautiful. I was amazed by all the canyons that we walked through. Just spectacular. I never would have expected to see this amount of canyons here in Illinois. And I guess they call them dells. You could call this the Illinois Dells if you wanted to. But just amazing. Great time. Walk was easy. Easy to walk around, not too difficult at all. We spent about 2 hours and we walked about 2 miles. So, and very easy walking environment. Took lots of pictures, lots of scenery, a few small waterfalls, a lake along the way. It was fun for the whole family. We went and brought some friends and we went camping. And it was just spectacular. And it's less crowded than Starved Rock State Park, which is just a few miles up the road. I think Matthiessen State Park is a little less familiar to people, and so not quite as many people come here, but I think it's even more spectacular than Starved Rock State Park. Starved Rock State Park does have some very interesting Native American history there, and it's worth going to Starved Rock State Park for that. But if you really want to see something spectacular, just go down the road to Matthiessen State Park and you get all this. All these beautiful canyons, all the dells, interesting flora and fauna, and just a great time. And not a whole lot of people there. It was very open and didn't have to fight the crowds to be there. I definitely recommend this. And we saw about half of the park. There was a lot more to see. And then we went to Oglesby to get some nice, delicious root beer floats from the root beer stand there in Oglesby. What a great way to cool off after a nice hike. Delicious ice cream and root beer. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you on the next one.